over this alarm clock I just received and wanted to do a review on it. It's the Reacher K2 Pro, and it's more than an alarm clock. It's a clock, it's an alarm, it's a radio, and it's a charging station. And it's, you know, the buttons are well placed on it. It's very easy to use. You can see there, nice big dial for the volume, and press on, press off. Let me just go over some of the features of it. If you press it, see how the display gets brighter, and you can actually turn it off, which is a great feature for me because I like it dark when I sleep. It has a real low setting. I don't know if you can see that. And then it's brighter, and it gets brighter. So it has, I believe, 4 settings on the display. It has a radio here. And as you can hear, if you listen to that, the quality is really, really good. Nice sounding, great quality radio. On the display, it has 2 alarms. It has 2 alarms here, and it has a displays the temperature in the room, and you can change that between Celsius and Fahrenheit in the back. You can also change in the back here. I'll show you here. In the back, here's some buttons. You can change from a 24-hour clock and a 12-hour clock. There's a button, like I said, for the temperature, Celsius or Fahrenheit. There are 2 plugs. I said it was a charging station. There's 2 plugs that you can charge up a phone or a phone and a tablet via USB. And also, it has a battery backup on it. You just watch here, so you can unplug it. So you won't lose the time. 3 AAA batteries go in the bottom here. That's one of my worries, that the alarm won't go off in the morning because the power went off or flashed during the night. So you don't have that issue with that. And like I said, it has 2 alarms. So one to wake up, one for some event during the day, or 2 separate events during the day, depending on where you keep it in the house. And the other thing is the buttons here. See, the sound of the alarm is controlled back here, which is unique on this radio. I haven't seen it on another radio. So let me show you something here on the alarms. Let me play the alarms for you so you get a feel for those. So you set the time first, right? Set the time. And then you have, that's one of the alarms, and you turn the knob. And to set, you just hit that and you're all set. Again, the volume of that alarm, you can turn that up and down independently in the back. I mean, I really am pleased with it. The quality of the radio and the variance in the alarms and the ability to turn off the display, the battery backup. I think it's a great buy, and thanks for the opportunity to let me share it with you.